Oftentimes, innovations solve practical problems, but the advancement of AI might bring new tools to chip away at the larger, even existential questions. Are we alone in the universe? Can we create lifelike, intelligent machines? Maybe they're all moonshots, but imagine one day having a second synthetic version of you. How's it going, brother? Oh, not bad. Just spent the last hour mapping half the cosmos. I'm looking for a constellation to name after us. You mean me? Yeah? Whatever, semantics. I'm doing all the work. Touchy.
The starry night sky has been a source of fascination and curiosity for centuries. Is there something out there?